Guys, good morning everyone. This is Chris Greif. We're now live at Bay Parkway looking at what train is coming. There are two trains coming. We have to find out. As it's entering the station. And do we have what?
Nancy.
We have a Nancy coming in. What train is coming in now? We have now still two more trains coming in. As you saw, the end just left. Now we'll have to see as it's coming in. You're seeing people getting anxious and finding out what train is this as he coming in. As people blocking the views. Thank you.
I think it does.
Yes, it is. Ladies and gentlemen, the W has returned to service. It has now reached its back home.
So you look at the train, man.
Excuse me.
Okay, I got good.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have returned home to the W train. As you see, I am on the W train. Ooh, we're going Super Express. I'll take it for 500. Well, as you see, folks, the W has returned. Any help, sir?
No.
You're in the